this is Kushi. Good morning, afternoon, evening or night whenever you're seeing this video. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. Welcome back to my channel. So as I said in the previous video that I was planning to make like a skincare routine, but I thought I'll do a challenge video first. So yeah, I'm finally making a skincare routine. If you don't know and if you don't follow me on Instagram, first of all, this is my handle. Go and do follow me on Instagram. And secondly, I started off making IGTVs on my Instagram channel. That was some were related to food and some were like DIY for skincare and something. Now I'm not a pro in anything like that, but yeah, I have studied ingredients really well that were good for your skin and some of the products that I'm reviewing personally. So yeah, I have noted down certain things because I don't want to forget while I speak. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to start. What is skincare? Number one, A point. I have 5 points like that. The key. What is skincare? Skincare people usually be like just lapping on a lot of skincare. No, it's just not like that. Started off with a very simple care routine. Like I started off with just what, like a face wash. um I'm like 18 and I don't pretty much believe that you should slap on a lot of products to make your skin look good and have that flawless. I think skincare is like both the ways. It also depends on the kind of food you have, and it also depends upon how you take care of your skin, or how many times do you wash your face, or do you even take care of it, or like that. Clearly I don't really shave my face. I haven't really done that. Like I want to try out a lot of things like that, makeup and whatnot, but I wanted to do this journey with you guys. Like I wanted to start off all the things together, binding up, so that at the end of the time even you see that transformation. It shouldn't be just like I have done it, I'm giving you a review. Everyone does that, like no offense, everyone does that, but I did not wanted to do something like that. I wanted to try it with you guys and then let you guys know the transformation also. Like I'm kind of a person, I believe in that. So yeah, first thing was that what is skincare. Don't just slap on a lot of products. Know what is your skin type. If you want like a small video on how to decide what is your skin type, follow me on Instagram. I'll make it for you guys. So yeah, like know your skin type and know what product suits you and what doesn't. Always, even if you taking on like a small face pack or something, a DIY from any of your favorite YouTubers or anyone, make sure that you do a patch test on your hand and then only go to your face, because your face is a very sensitive area. Don't just put on anything on your face. Like many people put on like on pimples, they rub garlic or maybe lemon. Just don't do it. Have a patch test on your hand. Sensitivity of your skin cannot be just decided like that. So first step is to know what is basic skincare. Like what does skincare mean? Okay, so next we have start with basics. Now second point is to start with basics. Now I don't know why do people have like concept in their head that the higher the amount of the product, the higher bucks you spend on the skincare is the way your skin is gonna look flawless and all that stuff. No, that's absolute crap. There is nothing like if you spend a lot of money, if you spend a lot of bucks on skincare, then only your skin is gonna look flawless. Your skin can look flawless with a 5 rupees soap also. You are supposed to be knowing that okay, you start off with the basics and then is when you slowly build up your skincare. Because normally if you are a person who does not like put on any kind of makeup, like maybe somewhat a BB cream or something like that, but you are not a person who like slaps on a lot of makeup on daily basis, or maybe someone who does not like shoot or anything like that, but still you need to have a skincare routine, because obviously you go out in the sun, your skin affects through that. Dust, pollution, and the sun rays, everything affects your skin. So a basic skincare routine is important, but if you are someone who puts on makeup and everything on daily basis, then you have to have like a good skincare routine. And that also starts when like you start off with the basic, and then like dhire you build up to that, because when your skin applies a lot of makeup, it needs immense skincare. The skincare should increase, because then the power of the lower category, like the basic skincare routine, does not work on your skin. Because okay, this makeup is obviously a high voluminated thing, so that it does not work on basic terms. It does not work. I don't know why I'm so blabbering. Maybe I'm super nervous for this one, because it's like a skincare routine. So yeah, ignore that, I'm sorry. So yeah, the second thing is know the basic. Start off with the basic and then dhire build it up. Now the third one that we have is expensive item is a myth. Like I said, people are so indulgent into expensive item that they feel like, okay, expensive things will make our skin flawless. No, it's a myth. I don't know how to take it out from people's head. You can look good applying milk also on your face. Trust me when I say this. You can be looking good just applying milk on your face and nothing else. Like, I did not had a skincare routine back then. Like I do not even have like a good expensive skincare routine now as well. But as I told you, I'm learning makeup, so then I have to increase my skincare routine. So start it off with the basic, and don't just believe onto expensive makeup products. That's just a myth. If you spend good money, or if you spend a lot of money on skincare, your skin is going to show that. It's just crap. Don't believe on it. Start off with the basics. Start off with milk. Start off with besan. Start off with multani mitti, and you're good to go. Know your skincare and then use products. Have a patch test. It's really important. I'm emphasizing again and again, because these things are really important. People just be like, okay, this, that, but know it. You can just not slap the basic things also on your face, just not knowing what skin type you are, what is going to suit you, what if your skin is sensitive. So know it. Okay, so next thing is, don't ever believe in skin lightening things. Okay, there is a difference when you say skin lightening and skin brightening. There is a difference. Know it, guys. Fair and Lovely company. Okay, I'm not offending anyone, but I personally feel the people who say that will make your skin fair and anything like that, that's all crap. Your skin type is given to you by the God, and it's a God gift. Every skin is beautiful. Every skin type is beautiful. So don't just run behind skin lightening products to make your face bright or make your color bright. So this is what is skin lightening. Now let's talk about skin brightening. So people who have dry skin, like I am a dry to normal skin type. So people who have dry skin kind of lose their brightness in the skin. That's what the basic regime of having a skin brightening thing is. That me being a dry skin, I sometimes feel that my skin is just so rough and it's just looking so bad. So that is the time when you know you need to do something for skin brightening. Now this term is okay, like you can have it, but skin lightening, forget it. It's just all a myth. There is nothing as skin lightening. Whatever skin type you are, trust me, you're just beautiful. Whatever skin type you are, just don't listen to any bakwas. I've seen people like makeup artists applying such a light color foundation onto people's face just to make them look like a bright skin color. It's just crap, guys. Why don't you love your skin, yaar? Like, I think dark skin is so beautiful. Like, I don't know, like I can just say, don't believe into to skin lightening processes. There is nothing as such skin brightening. If at all you take down a skin lightening kind of a thing, so know that it is just something related if you have some maybe dark patches on your face, like what do we say, normal skin. Okay, it will just remove the pollution and you will see a little bit of difference, and then you feel like, oh, this skin lightening is working. No, it is not. Trust me, it's not. Okay, so the next point we have is patience is important. Patience is definitely a key to everything that is related to skincare. I have always been saying that it takes a process. When you talk or say about I want a skincare routine, is not just like you started on the day and at night you will get a bright glowing skin. No, you need to give your skin time. Everything takes time. Like let's take for example, if you have dark circles and you buy this XYZ cream for like your under eyes, it will just not make a difference in one day or in 1 hour or in 24 hours, like whatever. It will not. You have to wait and have patience. How this cream works for you, at least minimum give it like 15 days to 1 month. Yes, you have to give like 15 days to 1 month to any of the things that you try, because skin is a really delicate part of your body. It's a part. Skin is like a really delicate thing, so you need to give immense time to it to grow. Like if you have a wound, the moment you apply like a cream or anything, it takes time to heal, right? So same way to your skin, when you apply any kind of cream or you want certain results from certain things, it will take time. It is gonna take at least 1 month for you to see results on your skin, so give that time to your face. Trust me, having no patience will not help you with anything. So keep patience, and let's move on to the skin routine now, as we are done. Did I miss anything? No, I completed it. So yeah, now today I will be talking about oily skincare routine, because oily skincare routine is something that is absolutely hyped. Like people, oh, you have oily skin, dude, I love oily skin. Do you know the benefits of oily skin? So to be very honest, oily skin does not ever age like really quick. Like we dry skin or normal skin types like get aged really quick, and that is can be seen from our face. But oily skin cannot be aged that quick. Like you will not find like fine lines and wrinkles really easily on oily skin types. The reason is the oil, the excess oil that they have tends their skin to not age. Can you believe it? That's so good. Like people, I know a lot of people who are like scared of aging. Like they don't want wrinkle on their face and stuff like that. And if you are an oily skin type, trust me, you're beautiful. You just have to change some of the skincare routine and you're good to go. You're not supposed to remove all the oil from your face, but just some little bit of some kind of like extra oil from your skin, excess oil, and you would be good to go. Like it's just that easy. Trust me, it's just hype. Don't really worry, your skin is gonna be good. So yeah, oily skincare is one benefit that I told you is that it just stops, cut down time for aging. So yeah, that's one thing. And the other thing is that your skin will always look bright. Like bright in the sense, I mean, as you see, like we apply serum on our face, so you get a glow here and here, somewhere like that, you know. So like the oily skincare have that original effect and that original glow on their skin, which I love. I just love it. Like this glows and this glows. It looks so good. Like it looks very good to me. So yeah, these are some of the benefits that oily skincare have. Now when you talk about basic skincare routine, you are supposed to have like the basic thing is a sunscreen, a face wash, a moisturizer, and a toner, and you good to go. And aloe vera gel is good for all skin types, so always have a aloe vera gel with you. Maybe it's a oily skin or maybe it's a dry skin, but today I'll be focusing on oily skin. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So so you need to have like a good routine. So I will just share like a small beginning like makeup routine. Not why am I saying makeup? Okay, so you need to have like a good oily skin routine. Okay, I'm really very nervous. Okay, so you need to have like a good skincare routine. So let's just start with that. So as you guys know, as I said, expensive things. So as I told you that I want to grow with you guys. So these are some of the very inexpensive things that you if you are an oily skin type you should have, and this will work for you as a beginner, and if you are someone who is into makeup and anything, so you need to grow your skincare accordingly according to this time span. So yeah, if there is any professional dermatologist or anyone seeing this video, I'm sorry if I make a mistake into it. Please tell me in the comment section below if there's anything you would like to add on to this. So this is a pretty basic one, a morning routine, evening routine, and a night routine. That's it. That is what this routine is. So let's start with the morning routine. So accordingly, talking about morning routine, as you get up, it's like you brush and you wash your face. So if you have a oily skin, I would recommend a face wash for you. Like in the morning, people do use face wash. This is Himalaya Herbals Oil Clear Lemon Foaming Face Wash. Removes excess oil now. Foaming face wash, any kind of foaming face wash is really good for oily skin, because that will tend you guys to help with the removing the excess oil from your skin. So always go for a foaming face wash if you are a oily skin type. So this is how the face wash looks like. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video, this is all a honest review that I have known, like someone in my family is oily skincare types and I have seen the results. That is the reason I'm recommending this, and I'll mention the price here, so make sure you check it out. So this is a face wash. So for morning you need a face wash and a moisturizer. Now I'm done with the face wash. Now second thing is the moisturizer. So this is the Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh Feel for soft and glowing skin. This contains vitamin E plus glycerin. Now I forgot to tell you one thing, that oily skin, like people need to know that why is your skin oily. You have a deficiency of vitamin E, and that is the only reason your face tends to produce some extra oil, and that's just okay. Don't go into dermatologist things to make your skin transform from oily skin to a dry skin. That is not possible. Just use things that are rich in vitamin E so that your skin removes the excess oil. Now please guys, don't run behind removing all the oil from your face. That's just waste, because that's not possible. So yeah, so this is the moisturizer that I have been talking about. Okay, so this is the moisturizer. I'll mention the price here. So for morning routine, this is okay. You need to have a face wash and you nicely wash your face, and then you need a moisturizer, apply moisturizer, and that's just it for oily skin. Now coming to evening, now I will put like a clip of like 2 to 3 easy and simple face mask. Like if at all you want to apply face mask, then I'll put like a picture. So yeah, okay. So after that, for the face mask, you can apply it in the afternoon time or whenever you feel like morning to afternoon. By 5 o'clock you can apply the face mask you want, and that's pretty much that. And then for afternoon, after you apply your face pack, so you are basically supposed to use the aloe vera gel. So as I said, aloe vera gel is good for all skin types, so you can invest in any aloe vera gel you want. This is something I personally love, this aloe vera gel, so I'm showing this to you. This is the RK Aromas aloe vera gel. So this is how it looks. Focus. Okay, so this is the aloe vera gel, and the best part that I think about this aloe vera gel is that this aloe vera gel dissolves in your skin, and you will after some time just not feel that you have anything on your skin, because normally aloe vera gel is really sticky. Like, I think it's really sticky. So this one worked really good for me, so I thought I'll share it with you guys as well. Now talking about the toner, so toner is also something comes into higher expectations of skincare, so you can always invest in rose water. So this is the Gulabari Rose Glow face cleanser from Dabur, and this cleanse, moisturize and refreshes. This is how the packaging looks like. It's really cute, and the water is of pink color, so I think it's beautiful. So it's like a spray bottle. So yeah, इसी बात पे. So yeah, it's really refreshing, and yeah. So yeah, investing into this thing is really nice. I think for toner, it's a really good toner. You can apply any time of the day when you feel like, okay, your skin is needs some refreshment or anything like that. You can always use this, and this is very nice. The fragrance is also very good. So for night time, after this is all done, when you go into bed, so these are the vitamin E tablets. This is the Yvonne 400. So these are vitamin E tablets. When you bring a capsule out, you have to just cut the tip, and there is some kind of fluid coming out, which is the vitamin E serum. You're supposed to put it all over your face and just go to sleep, because by morning this would just dissolve in your skin and you will see the difference. So yeah, like, use it for 15 days, and let me know in the comment section below how did it work for you, and do you want and like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want the same thing for a dry skin, if you give it a like, then I know that you need a skincare routine for dry skin as well. So yeah, it was pretty much that. So I really hope I did a decent job. I know it was not a good job, because I don't know why this video was giving me making me nervous to speak. Maybe skincare routine is like that. You should be very careful when you talk about skincare. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you really like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section below how did you like this routine and how did it work for you. I said this before, but again, okay. And yeah, like, tell me what other skincare would you let me want me to make, or is there any product do you want me to review. I would love to do that for you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.